Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
You know, there will be people who will try to stop you.
Yes, sir.
There will be challenges who will try to stop you.
Yes, sir.
There will be some criticism. They will also try to
Stop
stop you.
you.
But dear student, you have to identify your goals. You have to go for your goals. You have to go for your dream. You have to fight for your father, for your mother, for your teachers, for yourself. So that's why I can say that with one word, please never stop yourself. Please
Yes, sir.
never
Stop
stop
yourself.
yourself. So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So let's start this question hour with Sakshi Tomar. Okay? So my question is that what do you understand by English? What is English?
Sir, English is a language and English is a medium of communication. I understand to English by the communication. Thank you, sir.
You also tell me
Yes, sir.
what is the message of dust of issue.
Sir, dust of snow. It's conveyed by Robert Frost. That means he gives a very give nice message. We always attach to the nature.
Now it's time for Priya.
Yes, sir.
Priya, you tell me the summary or summary of a tiger in the zoo.
Okay. Firstly, good morning, sir. In the poem Tiger in the Zoo, it tells us that we need freedom in our life. So everyone needs freedom in their life. And in the cage, the tiger is saying that he is in the cage, that he is not getting freedom, actual freedom what he wants. So the summary of this message, this poem is that the tiger, there is a tiger who is in the cage, and he is telling about his freedom or in the cage. Thank you.
Thank you. Please have a big round of applause. So now it's time to pass out mic to Ayushi. Ayushi, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Did you prepare yourself at
Yes,
home
sir.
or not?
Yes, sir.
So today, are you excited for or not?
Yes, sir.
Confident?
Yes, sir.
So God bless you. So my question is that you have to give me some brief summary of a trump of surgery.
A trump of surgery. In this chapter, there was a lady whose name is Mr. Pumphrey, and there was a dog,
Mrs. Pump.
Mrs. Pumphrey. There was a dog whose name is Turkey. He was Turkey. Turkey was fond of eating, and Turkey was Turkey did not refuse to food. He was looked like a blotted sausage. His eyes were rheumy, and
Very good. If, from any one of you has any question? Would you like to ask the question? Any one of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you ask your question.
Sir,
Your question goes to?
my question goes to Anshika. So, Anshika, can you tell me why in the poem Dust of in the poem Fire and Ice, why poet chooses fire and ice? He can choose some other things.
First of all, good morning, Lakshmi. And I want to answer your question. Is the poet choose only fire and ice because fire stands for desires and hate stands for ice stands for hate. So if pupils have many desires and so many desires, then this is only the thing that can destroy the world. But if the world remains, then the hate also destroy the world. So the poet use fire and ice. Thank you, Lakshmi.
Okay, now first out here, my question is to Lavanya. Lavanya, you have to answer this question. What is the fire is symbol of?
desire,
Desire. And what is the eyes of is symbol of?
hate.
My, you have to understand my line. The line is that Sachin Tendulkar is like Virat Kohli. So what kind of figure of speech do you find in this line? Anybody can answer this question. Sachin Tendulkar is like Virat Kohli. What figure of speech do you find in this line? Yes, you pass out here.
Simile.
Simile, very good. Now next is that Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. What figure of speech do you find in this line?
Metaphor.
Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India.
Metaphor.
Metaphor, very good. Pass out mic to. What's your name? Srishti. Srishti, you have to answer my question. Nature can change negative things into positive things. You describe it.
Nature change the negative thing to positive thing, because in the poem of Dust of Snow, poet say that he sit on the tree and sit on the hemlock tree. Hemlock tree is the symbol of hate, but some snow out on the poet, so he was happy.
So it made him happy.
So made
So
him.
now the next question is that to pass out mic there. What is the hemlock tree? Define the hemlock tree. Who can answer this question? What is the hemlock tree? You pass out mic.
Hemlock tree is a poisonous tree.
What kind of a flower it has?
White.
White flower.
Yes, sir.
So next question is that what is the message of Dust of Snow?
Just some small thing can change our mood, and negative things can change in positive things.
Pass out. You have to give message of fire and ice.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Firstly, this poem message is that fire and ice. Fire symbol desire, and ice symbol is hated. So this poem message that
Never have hate,
Never
never have
have-
poison, never have infection in your mind and your heart.
yes, sir.
So you pass out mic to Akansha Vata. Akansha, you give me brief summary of or brief character of Postmaster.
Postmaster is very humble in nature, and he's a very good man. And when Lancho write the letter, when he see the letter, he was laughed, but he thought that Lancho trust was not break, because some people in the country, some people in the world that have a good trust on the God, but so he did not want to break her trust, so he collects some money and give her. So he is a very humble and nature in nature.
Well done, have a big round of applause for. Dear students, how do you feel with this session? It will be the last day, the following day. So from your team, today I select a captain from the girls. She will lead this team, because you have to go against the boys tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow you have to fight against them. Positively, not negatively. So Anshika, you have to lead your team tomorrow. Or everyone one by one will be the leader. Nobody will be here. So you have to lead your team. You have to ask them to prepare such question, so that you can give them problem and give them logical dilemma, that is also known as. So best of the luck for tomorrow. God bless you and take care. Move to your seat.